I worked as a line cook before and now training for Princess Gal.
Hi, my name is John Lucia. I'm a Luna, and my previous job is bar server. I'm now training for Princess Gali.
I am Jan Nicalumnus. I work as a line cook before, now training for Princess God.
Hi, I'm Joanna Lee. Working as a line cook before, now training for Princess Gal.
I'm Dexter Pambliga. I'm work before as a comm ship. Now I'm training for Princess Gali. Mark Anthony Gonzalez. I work as a line cook before and now training for Princess Gali.
Carolyn. I worked as line cook before, now training for Princess Gali.
Panagsagan, I worked before as commis-chef. Now I training for Princess Gale.
I'm Genesis Figueroa. I worked as a line cook before and now training for Princess Gal.
I'm a line cook before and now training for Princess Gali.
I am Jason. I am a line cook before, and now I am training for Princess God.
I'm Robert Jan. I worked before as a assistant cook. Now training for Princess Gale.
Pasalaton, line cook before and now training for Princess Gali.
Luis Mark Luis Carolino. I'm a third province before and now I'm training as a Princess Gali.
Francis Daniel Almario. I'm in a line cook before and now I'm in Princess Gal training.